everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Now today's video is something I actually was planning on doing for a while since I found this application in the App Store. I just for some reason couldn't get myself into recording it. I kept feeling like it was wrong of how I was recording it, and I kept messing up, and I was like, now's the time to get it through and do it. This is an app called You Upload, and it is really awesome. You get it and you log into your YouTube account, and it is an easy and fast way to upload videos to YouTube without having to stay in the application. Now, it is $1.99 on the App Store, and I will leave the link in the description below if you would like to get the application. But like I said, it is $1.99 on the App Store. But let's go here, and we're going to grab a video clip from my photos, which I just found, the one that I pre-recorded about Anchor. This is actually going to be put on private, so we're going to click choose, and it will start to compress the video, and it'll compress it very fast because this is a small one, and this is going to upload pretty quickly, so not going to be a long wait. Now, I want to tell you guys, once you've compressed the video, you are then okay to delete it off of your device because it is compressed to the application now and do it. Now, let me just show you guys what it can do. Now, we got the title place. I'm going to go and say now, I know this is not going to be seen by anybody, but I want to kind of go through the notion, so let me write a description. Tags. So now that I've done the description and the title, description, and tags, I have it already set, like it's automatically set on private. You get private, public, and unlisted. I'm going to go to private. Actually, I'm going to do it as unlisted. And I'm going to go down to peoples and vlogs. This is just what I put it at because I don't know. Actually, we'll do how-tos and style. So 3 down from peoples and vlogs. And I just messed it up. Hang on. Okay, so now that we have all of that, I'm going to click upload, and you have to wait until this number thing comes up, and it's only 13 megabytes. So I'm going to go off the application, and I'll show you what happens when it's done downloading. It is very quick and efficient, so I may not even have to cut this video. But as you can see, it is now at, it's very quick. And it even has this little line at the top showing you how far along it is. So it's pretty neat. So if I just, sit here and wait, it's going to be done. It's going to go. It's just going to go and keep going. The flaw is that I don't like about it is there are no notifications. It does not tell me when I'm just on my phone. And we'll see if it does it while I'm on it. But you can turn notifications on so that, like, when your video is uploaded, it will tell you. But it does not tell you. But if you go in the app right on time, it will say your video has been uploaded to YouTube. And then there are some times, like, if your connection is good, your connection is good, don't worry too much about it. But you may not even get that notification. So sometimes when I know my connection is good, I'll let a video upload overnight, fall asleep, and not care about it because I know it'll be uploaded the next morning. But this is an alternative for not having to stay in the YouTube application, and I love it so much because of that fact. And that's why I wanted to share it with you guys now. And it's at 9. So I'm going to get off of the app real quick and let it go just a little bit longer and let it do its thing and run its course. Nothing yet. All right. So we're just kind of letting it run its course and do its thing. And if I catch it right on time, we'll see that notification. TN. All right. So let's get off. Okay. Let's see if we're going to do it. Alright, so the next time we go on, it is going to say, yay, your video is on YouTube, share, or thanks. There it goes. Yay, your video is now on YouTube. Your video can be found, and it gives you the link. And then it says share URL or thanks. And I just push thanks and then go back out and delete it because it is good and gone and I don't have to worry about it. It is uploaded. But there will be cases, like I said, you will not get that thank you notification, but don't fret. Check your YouTube before you fret. More than likely, as long as your connection was good, it's uploaded and you don't have to worry about it. Let's go to my YouTube channel. I was actually watching a video. I don't remember what I was watching. So let's go to my channel, and I'm going to go into my videos, and it takes a minute to appear on there, but here it is, Anchor, and it's unlisted, so I don't have to worry about it. So I'm actually going to delete the video because I actually was not wanting to post it, so yeah, so there you go. There is my thoughts and opinion on YouUpload. Go get it from the App Store, fall in love with it, and say I sent you. Thank you.